Hello guys, welcome to Kiel's Toy Review! For today's video, we're gonna review a Skull Crawler! Even though this figure is a bootleg, we're gonna still review this. You can move this toy with the legs and the neck. Only for that joint. Only two joints. Even though this is a boot, amount of detail of this figure is not bad. This pin goes perfect with my Playmates. This skull color is in scale with my car, which is really nice. This pin is gonna destroy. If you shall buy this figure for your absolutely. If you are a collector, this is not heavy, not hard. Oh no! Skull Crawler spitting blood! Dun, 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 dun.